Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. So I want to quickly teach you guys how to withdraw your money from Hmstr Kombat, right? How to set up your wallet so that you can withdraw your money before the end of the wallet connection, just like the way the dog did that time. Before you know it now, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So you come down here, come to this airdrop. You see it, September 26th is when they are launching, and they've already given you the exchanges that you can do. So it means if you are withdrawing from Binance, you must have done your KYC, OKX, you've done your KYC, Bybit, Telegram, Light KYC, AB exchange, no gas fee and no KYC, and then on chain airdrop, there's no KYC on it. So I am using Bybit. I've been always using Bybit. You can use other Binance or Bybit, but it's very simple. So I'm going to show you the step. So now I'm using Bybit, and I'll click on Bybit. They say, do you have an Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hmstr. If you don't have, click here, let's create it. But if you have, click here, so I have it. So I have it, and I'm going to click it. But if you don't have it, it will just take you to a place where, let's just click it so you see it. So just take you to where you can create and register. So please use our referral code Bybit Hmstr. So if you click on this, I think there's an extra bonus for using their code. So when they launch, they will give you extra token or extra gifts for using their code to join Bybit, right? So you click on register, and then it will take you to a link. Do you understand? It will take you to a link where you can sign up and do all those stuff. Do you understand? But now me, I already have. So yeah, do not bring you here. You put your email, put your referral code, this Bybit Hmstr, right? And then you sign up. Do you understand? So but I already have, so I don't need to do all those things. I just need to, so what I'll just do is I click yes, I have, and then they'll bring me here. So back, so I click on Bybit, and yes, I have it. So they'll tell me, so look at September 13th, right? Off-chain deposit start. September 21, off-chain deposit end. September 24, Bybit confirmation or decline. So Bybit UID is the first thing. The next thing is Hmstr deposit address, then memo, and then that's all. So Bybit UID. So you have to go to Bybit account. Bybit account. This is very simple to do. Okay. So you go to your Bybit account. Then you go to assets. Assets down here. Make sure you have already verified your account. Make sure you're showing verified, right? So okay, Bybit UID. You come to this place, this profile up, right? The first one is the UID. So you come up to this stuff, click on it. Your UID is this number. UID, you can see this number. So you tap on it, you copy it, come back here, and then you paste it, right? The next one is Hmstr deposit address. So this is where you now go back, come to assets, and then when you come to assets, you click on deposits, right? Deposits, and then you come to deposit crypto down here. Then you type Hmstr. So I've already typed Hmstr before. Just type HM, right? I'm going to come out. Can you see down here now? Hmstr is out, right? You click on it. Then you select tone down here. Then you click on OK. So this is your wallet address. This is the memo. So we need these two. So first of all, copy this one by clicking this place. Copy successfully. You go over here, and then you click on Hmstr deposit address, and then you paste, right? Then the next one is the memo. You go back to Binance, and then you click here, and then you copy the memo, and then you come back, and then you paste memo, right? That was not choosing yet. Then you click on save and choose. So you click on save and choose. If it's taking so much time, just try and restart it again, like reload and then start again. So that's what I did, because it was loading for a long time, and the thing just showed success, and then it's showing this. Well done, stay tuned with updates, right? And I'll click on thanks. So I've connected, right? So you can see this. unleashing the full potential of crypto web 3 with next generation total support. Request was sent to Bybit. Request to Bybit was sent. Can you see it? So now it's showing that I have connected. You can see this here, and I'll advise you that you should put this exchange on the particular exchange that you're mining with, that you chose as your withdrawal method. So since I'm using Bybit, I'm using this exchange. Do you understand? If you're using Binance to withdraw, choose Binance. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now for those that want to use Binance, okay guys, so here's how to withdraw to Binance, right? So you click on yes, I have it, then you see the Hmstr address memo, and then you go to my Binance account, right? So basically when your app opens like this is home, markets, trades, right, features, wallet. Okay, wallet. Go to deposits and then search Hmstr, right? So let's finish. My network is bad, so you go to this is it. So you see it, Hmstr, right? You click on it, then you click on Thumb blockchain. Both memo and address are required to self deposit your this, and click on continue. So you click on this box here to copy, right? You go over to this place to your Telegram, and then you deposit here to paste, right? The next thing is the memo. You come back to this place, you come over here and you copy this, right? And then you go down there, and then you push, and then you paste it, right? Then when you press, you now click on save and choose. You can see it's success. Well done, thanks. So that's how to actually connect your wallet, right? Make sure that one is there. Okay, so that's how to connect it. So if you don't have, I suggest you use Bybit or Binance or OKX or Telegram wallet. But me, I would advise you to use between Bybit and Binance. Do you understand? The rest will stress you. So like usual, I told you, change this. Once I'm using Binance, change this thing back to where it's supposed to be. So I'll change this thing back to Binance. Since I'm using Binance, you understand? If you're using OKX, use OKX. Do you understand, guys? Thank you for watching. Kindly click on the like button, subscribe and share, guys.